I actually watched that video that you had put out about maybe a year or two ago about the service agreements, and I actually built mine structured around what yours were, and added to it. I have to say, I I've been watching your videos for hardcore for like the past two
You did.
weeks, and I haven't even started yet, but because of the knowledge that you provided, I just want to say thank you. And I feel like it's so helpful. There are other content creators online that are putting things out and they want you to buy before they want you to spend $500 to get, a little crumb of information that's probably not helpful. They're
Right.
downloading these free checklists from the internet and charging people $25 for each of them. And
Oh
here
no.
you are just being very straightforward with everything and talking about the mistakes and the whatnots. And I really appreciate that because I found you to be so much more you like your information is more useful and you're more helpful and encouraging than a lot of the other content creators out there. Although I definitely have to say that I like AJ as well. He's really good too. But there are a lot of others across the country that they're like, oh yeah, it's cleaning, yay, and it's sign up for my course, $700, yay. It's like no, no, like what have you done to help
I
us,
mean, oh my
So
gosh.
I'm really appreciative because like I've told my grandmother about you and everything. I'm like, this woman has been through it. She's got children, she's had some things happen in her personal life. So like she knows what's going on. You're with it, and you've been doing it for a little while now. So it's really awesome. I definitely I appreciate the content. I have to say
I
that. Thank you.
appreciate you, man. I appreciate you for joining us, and I appreciate your kind words. Through the kindness of our heart, we do stuff like this. Just out of the kindness, it's free. Tap in. You know, and get it.
Hmm.
I mean,
That's why I decided to come on board with Miss Johnson. She inspired me. So what you guys see on video is actually what you see in person. What you see is what you get. Most people, they might try to shine for the camera and be a certain way to get you to
Yep.
buy something at the end. And it's like she's so genuine. When I say genuine, she would literally give you the shirt off her back. Like, I love working for this woman, okay? And I don't care who know it.
oh
If
man,
I was down south, I'd be asking for a job too.
Okay.
there's so many people out here that can be doing better, man. And I
Right.
always I always tell my story on how I was my high school dropout. I dropped out in ninth grade. I am not the smartest person in the world. I don't have the best education. I'm not the best. I don't have the best speech, but I was able to create multiple streams of income, and just to get to this over a $500,000 level is just crazy to me. And
Hmm.
it didn't even. I'm telling y'all, it's not that difficult, man. The reason why a lot of people I feel fail is because they're not working hard enough. I named the company Tenacity because that's all I had. I didn't have nothing else but the willpower.
Right.
And when you got the willpower, you're gonna do stuff like be on this live asking questions
Right.
because you hungry. You want to know. There is no dumb question. There's no stupid question. You're gonna ask questions. You're gonna learn, and you're gonna go implement after tonight.
Right.
It don't stop with taking notes.
Right.
You're gonna implement tomorrow because you're tired of your situation.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
Who's that?
Who's next? Who we got next?
Miss Charlotte. She had her hand up.
Miss
I want to say
Charlotte.
thank you. I want to say thank you. I started my company in January of 22, and you ran a sale on your forms in March. I got my first contract in April.
Woo!
Wow.
Congratulations. Oh man. You say you got your first contract. What kind of contract did you get?
It was an office building.
You got an
Nice.
office building.
Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
man. So how did you go about getting that? Did you walk in with a flyer or did you cold call? How did you get it?
No, ma'am. I built a website, and they called me. And that's how I got it. I did the walkthrough. I watched AJ videos. I watched your videos of walkthroughs, and they told me they were tired of the current cleaner, and I got the contract.
Man,
Wow.
God bless that, man. We wish you many, many more to come. Many, many more to come, I tell you. Well, thank you for joining the live. Anybody else got any questions?
Yes, Ms. Johnson. Yes. Quick question. How do you get Airbnb contracts?
Okay. How do you get Airbnb contracts? There's a few ways you can do it. Now, let me give you my speech.
He's coming out of the jacket.
It is hot in here. All right. So, whenever you're trying to get an Airbnb contract, just make sure that all of your advertisement is focused towards Airbnbs. Don't create a flyer that says we do restaurants, we do residential, we do Airbnb, we do offices, we do. Don't do that, because when you speak to everybody, you speak to nobody. Okay, so just make that abundantly clear. If you're serious about getting an Airbnb account, I want you to go on Canva.com, or if you don't got time for that, pay somebody to make some flyers for you. But they need to make Airbnb flyers. You need to show up as the Airbnb expert. Okay, just look at it. If I'm looking for somebody to do my taxes for me, I'm not gonna go with the guy that says I do taxes, bookkeeping, I got the CPA, I paint, and
I do carpet.
I'll do your rugs for you. It's a lot going on, you know. I'm just gonna go with the girl that say I'm an expert in taxes. That's all I do. I've been doing it for 100 years. That's the lady that I'm gonna go with, because she's showing up as the expert. Okay, so I want you to show up as the expert. One. Okay. Two, you need to start putting advertisement everywhere. You need to put advertisement on Craigslist, Nextdoor.com, Care.com, Thumbtack, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You need to just advertise. Post your stuff everywhere. Then you can go on turnoverbnb.com, and you can go on Evolve.
Yeah, Evolve. Yeah, that's good.
Turnover BNB and Evolve. Try both of those. Okay, those are sites that will match the cleaner with the Airbnb host. Okay.
All
right, so those are ways that I would try. You can even go on Craigslist, and there's Airbnbs. Like, what I used to do is go on Craigslist and can I share my screen? Let me share my screen with you. Let me show you guys an example of what I would do. Craigslist. And,
can you guys see the screen?
I'm not sharing it yet.
I'm doing my phone call.
Oh, okay.
All right, here we go.
All right.
All right.
Should be able to see it.
Now, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we do. I see it.
Yes.
Right. Yes. It should say Craigslist, right? So what you can do is go here. When you log into Craigslist, you're going to go to your city, go to vacation rentals. Okay. Go to vacation rentals, and all of the vacation rentals will pop up right here, right? You gotta watch out for some of this stuff. Some of this stuff be bogus. I'll let you know that. But click on here. Click on there, and let's see what we got. Let it reply. Let's see if it's gonna give me something. Show email. All right, so you can actually email whoever the owner is to this house. All you got to do is copy this, paste it in your Gmail, and email that person. Now, sometimes it will have the person's number where you can actually call whoever the owner is. I do it all the time. So let me see if I can find it here. Click on it. Click reply. Let's see if we can find somebody. Are you struggling with marketing and advertising for your cleaning company? If so, guess what? I just created a free ebook. Yes, a free ebook on 99 ways that you can market and advertise your cleaning company. Okay, I highly suggest that you guys click the link down below and tap into our free ebook. Okay, you can't beat free, you guys. I took my time out. This is my first ebook that I've ever created. Okay, so bear with me. I'm not Shakespeare, but one thing that I do like about this ebook is this is the type of book that I would read. Okay, because a lot of entrepreneurs don't have a lot of time, okay? So I took my time to put together a easy read book that you can go through 99 different tips for advertising and marketing your cleaning company, okay? Right here, click the link down below. Get it. It's free. Why not get it? It is free. Tap in. Let me know how you like it. Bye-bye.